In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add exponential Bollinger Bands in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools and community scripts. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you will see a few different sections, such as built-ins, favorites, and community scripts, along with a search bar at the top. Rather than scrolling through long lists and trying to spot what you need, it is much faster to use that search box. Move your mouse up to the search field and click inside it so you can start typing. Now, type in Exponential Bollinger Bands. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the list below in real time. Take a moment to look at the results and make sure you are selecting the correct script. You are looking for an indicator that specifically mentions Exponential Bollinger Bands in the title. If there are multiple versions, you can hover over each one to see a short description. But for this video, choose the main Exponential Bollinger Bands option that appears. Once you see it in the list, click on it one time. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You should now see bands wrapping around the price, similar to regular Bollinger Bands, but calculated using an exponential moving average instead of a simple one. This makes the bands react a bit more quickly to recent price movement, which some traders prefer for more responsive signals. If the bands look too thick, too thin, or the colors do not match your style, you can customize them. Just hover over the name of the indicator at the top left of the chart. Click on the settings icon and adjust the length, the source, and the standard deviation values. You can also change the colors and line styles so the bands stand out clearly against your background. When you are happy with the look and settings, click OK to apply the changes. Finally, if you want to use TradingView Pro for more charts, more indicators on one screen, and a smoother overall experience, check out the affiliate link in the description. That link will take you straight to TradingView Pro, so you can get set up and follow along with indicators like Exponential Bollinger Bands without limitations.